Hi there, it's Liz. I want to show you how you can print your student report cards to PDF. So it's going to be a little different on every device, but this is the main idea. When you're signed into Q, just like usual, you go to Menu, Marks, Reports, and then find the report card setting, the report card report. Now it's going to come up with your usual. Make sure that this says Standards-Based Report Card T1. And then for some reason, the enrolled as of, sometimes this isn't the accurate date. So just click on the calendar and you can change it to 2020. I think it still wants to be in last year. I don't know. It doesn't really matter how you're sorted because we're not ready to create report yet. If you create report, it's going to create one PDF with all your students in it. And what you might need if you're sending your report cards home by email, or you're texting a link, or you're sending it using talking points, or however you're sending, if you need a digital file, you cannot create this report and send a parent everyone's report card. All right, that is super extremely important. What you need to do is come down here to class selection, and you're going to click where it says student. Right now it's set to make a report with all students. When you click there, you can choose specific students. Now I know this is kind of a headache and I'm sorry you have to go one by one because remember how I changed the date. I chose refresh available students and now I'm going to blur this out, but you have a student list. So I'm going to start with this first student and I'm going to move them over and then I'm going to say done. Now I have just that one student and I can create the report. Okay, that made the report card for one student. Again, I'm going to blur this out. The thing is, what am I going to do with it now? In my computer, and it might be a little different in yours, I have the PDF. If I scroll, I don't want to scroll because then I'm going to have to blur a ton. When I scroll down, this is the whole report card for just that one student. I can see it's 2 pages. This little symbol right here is download. Now I can click here and it's going to download the PDF. I probably want to include the student name here with report card. The other thing that you can do though is you can click on print. And when you go to print it, you don't want to print it to an actual printer. What you want to do is save as PDF. It does the exact same thing. So you can either go to print and save it as a PDF or you can download it. Either way, you're going to be saving that as a single, just a 2-page report card, student by student. Now, I'm done with that. So I can close this report card. I need to go back to students. I'm going to click on the next one and take the first one out and create again. You guys, I know this means going one by one, and I'm sorry that's going to take so long, but that's the way to get your PDF report cards for each student. All right? Let me know if you need help or if you have any trouble, but that's how you get the report for one student at a time for report cards. All right, talk to you later.